Let's go ahead and try the slightly more challenging limit. So we have limit x approaches 0, sine x over x, and there's an exponent 1 divided by 1 minus cosine of x. We know sine x over x is 1 and 1 minus cosine of x is 0. So this is in the form of 1 to the power of 1 divided by 0 or 1 to the power of infinity, which is an indeterminate form. So we're going to have to use some other strategy like L'Hopital's rule, or maybe I'm going to use the Maclaurin series expansion, okay? So Maclaurin series expansion is a special case of the Taylor series expansion, which is centered around x equals 0. And it's a power series representation of a function, and you sum up the terms involving the derivatives, and essentially it approximates a function using a polynomial. Okay, so now I'm going to take natural log on both sides of our expression. So ln of L is natural log because I want to take the exponent, bring it in front of the ln. So now we have ln sine x over x and divide by 1 minus cosine of x. Now for very small values of x, the sine x can, Maclaurin expansion is x minus x cubed by 6 and so on. Cosine is 1 minus x squared by 2 and so on, higher order. And now when we have sine x by x, we divide our series divided by x, so it becomes 1 minus x squared by 6 and so on. And 1 minus cosine of x, the ones get cancelled, it becomes x squared by 2 and the higher order as they follow. Now for one other thing, for small values of y, we have ln 1 plus y, and that is essentially it can be written as approximately equal to y. Okay, because as the higher order ones become smaller and smaller and smaller. So here y is negative x squared by 6 because we have ln sine x over x. We said sine x over x was 1 minus x squared by 6. So the y term here is negative x squared by 6. Okay, so we can write ln, the whole thing, 1 minus x squared by 6 as negative x squared by 6. So let's just write our expression down. Then ln of L is limit of x approaches 0, our expression. I'm going to substitute negative x squared by 6 in the place of sine x by x. And then we know 1 minus cosine x, we said that was x squared by 2. And then we just do the math and we flip that, we get negative 1/3. Now log L to the base is negative 1/3. So L, the limit is e to the power of negative 1/3 using the laws of logs and exponents. Now the graph of this y over sine of x over x to the power of 1 minus cosine of x, when I graph it as we approach x at 0, the value is 0.71. The y value is 0.71, which is basically e to the power of negative 1/3. And that is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.